What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply special effects to our Instagram direct message. So how to do this? First of all, go to a person on an Instagram profile that would like to direct the message. For example, I'm here from my personal account and going to the Visual Modo profile, so I click on the message and we're gonna learn how to do messages like this one, or this one, or this one. And how to do this? The process is not hard. We first of all gonna need to type the message. For example, this is a video tutorial of social media usage. And before sending the message, you're gonna need to click into this zoom icon into the left side of the message. As soon as you click on it, you're gonna be able to see the effects, the custom effects. For example, as soon as you click on it, the fire one, here is the result we have. While typing, we can also search for stickers and GIFs, and even type, for example, stranger things. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to click into the stars icons links that I'm gonna leave in the description below and into the first comment pinned into the video for amazing offers, for example, for a cheap web hosting, for a performance web hosting, and for a link to download free icons, assets, and design creation tools for free into Creative Market. And you can do this by clicking on the links below. Don't forget to follow the Visual Modo into Instagram, Facebook, and access visualmodo.com website for more tutorials. And I see you later. All the best!